Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic G320QC 31.5-inch color monitor with 2K resolution and 165 Hz refresh rate. So friends, the price is only $150 and friends, the ViewSonic 31.5-inch color monitor available in China, but the monitor is featured a 2K resolution with 165 Hz refresh rate utilizing a utilizing a fast VA panel and offers a curvature of 1500R and providing an impressive viewing experience. The monitor delivers a steady contrast ratio of 3500 Gen1, brightness of 300 nits and 1 millisecond response time, and it supports 8-bit color depth and cover 85% of NTSC color gamut, ensuring vivid and accurate color reproduction. And the monitor stand is adjustable, supporting height, rotation, and tilt adjustment, and the device is also compatible with VESA 100x100 wall mount support. And friend, the connectivity options including two HDMI 2.0 port and one DP 1.2 port. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.